बिग 106.2 पे आप मुझे आने अर्पित को सुन रहे हैं. वेरी वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू. इट्स अ वेरी लवली इवनिंग. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट इवनिंग, क्योंकि ऐसा यूजुअली होता नहीं है कि कोई मेरी बात इतने अच्छे से मान जाए, और ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे सुपरस्टार है एक बहुत बड़े जिनका नाम है सुदीप किच्चा. वेलकम टू द स्टूडियो सुदीप.
थैंक यू.
और ये बात ये हुई है कि मैंने इनको कन्विंस कर लिया कि मैंने कहा आप बैठे हो मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में, फटाफट अपन लाइव जाते हैं. ही वाज सो नाइस एंड ही सेड लेट्स गो लाइव. बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. इट्स अबाउट कि आप यहाँ पे हो, दुबई में हो, एंड यू आर हियर फॉर अ वेरी बिग थिंग, दैट योर नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग बिग फिल्म विच इज कॉल्ड विक्रांत रोना, जिसका टाइटल लॉन्च और जिसका स्नीक पीक होने वाला है बुर्ज खलीफा पे 31st of Jan को. टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट.
It all started like about 3 years back when we wanted to do this film, and it started in a very small scale for a different production. I was only supposed to produce this. All right, so it was meant for some newcomers, and that's what we planned. And then as it went, so it just so happened that we wanted to present this film in a very big way, like if you want me to compare, not as a storyline, but then a Jumanji or a Indiana Jones. That kind of a film. So
adventure thriller.
Yeah, so it started happening like that, and then of course the director Anup Bandari and his team has worked very well, and to get it, dreaming of something is different. Conceiving that visuals is difficult. Trust me, when you go onto the floor, what you had dreamt of, what you have seen on the storyboard is very difficult to get it, and these guys have got it right. And then it just so started going globally. It was not an effort. It's not an effort. It started going by itself. So I think it's happening right now, and we are at Dubai.
I have seen the teaser. मैंने उनके फोन पे टीजर देखा, और मैं एक बात बता दूं कि तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम पे कैसे लाइक्स और कमेंट्स आते होंगे ना. आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू सिट नेक्स्ट टू अ सुपरस्टार यू अंडरस्टैंड सोशल मीडिया की पावर क्या है. देयर वर 100 फॉलोअर्स, 100 न्यू कमेंट्स, 500 समथिंग, 1000 समथिंग, एंड आई वाज लाइक हाउ. ओके, दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. आई हैव नेवर आस्क्ड दिस. हाउ डू यू डील विद सोशल मीडिया, मैन? लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. डू यू लाइक गो सी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, और डू यू नॉट लाइक बॉदर कि बढ़ रहा है फॉलोअर, कमेंट आ रहा है?
I'm not there to deal with anything. I'm just there to post.
Oh, okay.
See, I just want to say something to the world, and I think it's better. This is the best way that we can actually, without any efforts.
Right.
And yeah, you feel good when you have such good following and people. I'm not there to go for reading the reviews, what people are trying to comment. Though it's a good thing and not a great thing also sometimes. See, the point is, you want to say something, say it. And then, of course, when some good thing and some people want to tell you something, it will reach you. Whether you react, you don't react is an option. But as for Twitter or Insta, I go do my duty. My excitement I want to share with the world, I do it.
हम हवा में छोड़ देते हैं, किधर तो पहुंच ही जाएगा मैसेज. दैट इज व्हाट इट मींस. ऑब्वियसली इट रीच समवेयर. बट वन थिंग यू सेड, यस, यू सेड दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी जस्ट द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म, एंड देन यू डिसाइडेड कि मैं ही फिल्म कर देता हूँ. इज इट बिकॉज कि आपको लगा मैं बेस्ट फिट हूँ, या आपको लगा किसी एक्टर को पैसे क्या देने, खर्चा बचाता हूँ, मैं खुद कर लेगा, तो
sometimes what happens is
save the actor's fee.
Sometimes what happens is, you probably just step out to dine with a friend, and then suddenly you choose a restaurant. And that particular restaurant, let's say, is a pretty expensive one.
Okay.
So then you'll stop for a while and say, should we or shouldn't we? So I think we all choose when we can afford it.
Right.
Yes or no?
Right, 100%.
So film, as it was going, the budgets were not having any limit. So now the only option was me to step in, so that whatever revenue you're putting in, you take it out also decently. It's not that you want to tell a story at the loss of everything. And we all want to tell a story by the end of the day, but we have to be a little practical and logical about the logistics. Yeah, that's how it all happened, and my director jumped into it. He said, no, you have to please. So then we went on, and I think this is one of the few good decisions I've taken.
And indeed, I've seen the teaser. It looks pretty cool. I've seen it on his phone. And also, Sudeep, since we posted on our story saying that Kicha Sudeep is going to be here, and I just said it on radio a while back, and we've been flooded with phone calls. But there's one person who's adamant, who's like, प्लीज तुम वापस फोन मुझे नहीं करोगे, मेरी बात कराओ इनसे अभी. It was like she was, थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा उन्होंने डांटा भी है. मैं आप चाहता हूँ कि आप इनसे बात कर ले. इनका नाम भावना है. भावना, किच्चा is listening to you.
Hello Sudeep ಅವರೇ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Hi Bhavna, how are you? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಾವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Hindi please. It's a Indian Hindi English. Okay.
Welcome to Dubai. ಬೆಂದಕಾಳು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. I think what they're requesting is, since it's a channel of Hindi and English, I think even English is okay. Okay, Bhavna, let's speak in English, so it's better.
Yes, that. First of all, congratulations for the movie. Though Sunday is working for us, we'll definitely make it for Burj Khalifa.
Thank you. Don't go into Burj
And,
Khalifa. Stand outside. So
yes,
and
definitely.
don't go into Burj
Along
Khalifa
with
and then
you.
blame us and say nothing happened.
No, along with you, hope so.
Yeah, we are all going to be there, Bhavna.
And in fact, I thought of inviting to my home, but because of COVID, hopefully, when we come to Bangalore, we'll come to your home.
That's-
And you know, I'm the very biggest fan. Definitely, you would have heard this dialogue a number of times. I fight
No,
with
that's
my
not a
husband.
dialogue,
Don't you-
Bhavna. That's a sweet line. Dialogue is what
Yes,
is written by somebody and somebody else says it. So
No, this is a
that's a dialogue.
wholehearted thing for you.
Thank you.
And you know, I fight with my husband just to watch your movies, that, this, and all. The Big Boss shows.
This is a very
and,
sensible fight. Do it often.
yes,
So-
yes.
I honestly, Bhavna, I honestly feel कि तुम दोनों मिलके एक radio show कर सकते हो. You and Kicha can sit here and actually can do a radio show. This conversation is very interesting. But let me tell you, Bhavna, I do the evening show ASAP 4 से 8. मैं इस रेडियो स्टेशन पे 3-4 साल से. मुझे तो आज तक चाय के लिए नहीं बुलाया. हैं? मुझे तो नहीं बोला मैं घर आ
No,
जाऊंगी ये. ए.
No, Kicha Sudeep is very special.
I know,
in
I know,
our
I
heart.
know.
Why don't you tell him you feel safe with me?
Yeah, that is there.
Calling someone home is not a great habit, but since you're calling, make the right choice.
Beyond everything, the love for him to Kannadigas, from Kannadigas.
Thank
is
you.
Tremendous. And I one request tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. Can you please wish her?
What's her name,
Her name
Bhavna?
is Tashvika.
Huh?
Tashvika.
Tashvika. Yeah, please convey Tashvika the very best from my side and my love, and very, very happy returns to her.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
In fact,
Thanks,
Thank
Bhavna.
you,
You
Bhavna.
take care. See you on Sunday.
Bye, Bhavna. Thank you so much. And let me tell you, this song is for you. I don't have a Kannada song, but there's this song that depicts what we feel for you.
Thank
and
you.
that says, no competition. Aapka koi competition nahi. And I'm going to play that for
very
you,
sweet.
Kicha.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for talking to me.